How to fix iPhone stuck on black screen during calls. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix iPhone stuck on black screen during call. So there are two reasons why this can happen. One is a software related issue, the other is a hardware related issue. Now, if this is a software related issue, there's a really simple fix for it. What you'll need to do is first you will need to update your software. So let me head back here. So to update your software, go to your settings and go to general. After you're on your general, you'll find software update, tap on that. And here if you find an update available, simply tap on the update option and update your software to the latest version. After you do that, check if the problem is fixed or not. If that is not fixed your problem, come back to general, go to transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset. Then reset all of your settings. Resetting all of your settings will simply enable you to it will reset your factory settings, include all custom settings, but it will not erase your data. So that should fix your issue. And again, if that does not do it, you can simply force restart or simply restart your iPhone. And you can restart your iPhone from the general as well. Head over to general and shut down your iPhone and then open it up again. If you want to force restart, what you need to do is press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, and press on the side button until the Apple logo appears. After it does, release the button and it will force restart. After doing that, your problem should be fixed if it is a hardware related issue. If it's not a hardware related issue, there might be a problem in your proximity sensor. So the sensor should look something like this. It's right near your camera. It should be somewhere around your speaker on the top and your camera. So you can try to clean your proximity sensor and make sure that there is no dirt accumulated there. Clean that up, and if you have a case or a screen protector, make sure that the protector is not damaged or something like that. So if that's the case, you might have to go to your contact. You'll need to contact your Apple support and get your hardware fixed. Doing that, your problem should get fixed. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.